How many times have you seen icons in Strata Master and wondered what they do? How many functions isn't your office using, largely because you don't know what they're for? Well, wonder no more, because today's top tip could help you learn what marvels await you within Strata Master. So let's have a look. Simply hover your mouse over any icon in Strata Master and it'll give a small pop-up of some information about what that icon is for. Perhaps you're in Quick Reports and see a red square icon. Hovering over will let you know that the red square cancels your search. Maybe you're in the corporation screen and you see two blue envelopes. Hovering over can show you the bulk email wizard. Information is at your fingertips, and now you can find it yourself just by hovering the mouse. Not only that, hovering over an icon also provides you details of a hotkey that may be linked to that function, allowing you to use the keyboard to access it without needing to click the mouse. Have you ever started to enter data into a screen only to realize you hadn't clicked edit mode? A simple push of the F3 key will put you straight into edit mode. Perhaps you started entering a creditor invoice and you forgot to click new. F2 will fix that right up, and you can enter your details without needing the mouse at all. Life is all about learning what you didn't know that you didn't know, and Strata Master is no different. So hover over some icons and learn what wonderful functions await you.